The Desert Rat Trail at Thetford is a gentle 2-mile walk, but like most forest walks, you can make it as long or as short as you want it to be. Near the start of the walk there are various information boards with details of the 8th Army when they were stationed in this area during World War II. Oh, well done, Archie. Here is the Desert Rat Museum. I have no idea whether it is good or not, as I have never seen it open, but I'm sure if it was, it would be a riveting visit. Or maybe not.
John. Oh, come on, you. John. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Clever boy.
Look ahead, look astern, look the weather in the lee. Blow high, blow low.
Archie first came here before his first full groom, and he was a proper ball of fur.
A sailing down along the coast of High Barbary. Then hail her, oh captain, he called o'er the side. Blow high, blow low, and so sail we. Oh, are you a pirate or a man of war, he cried, a sailing down along the coast of High Barbary. Oh, are you a pirate or a man of war, cried we. Blow high, blow low, and so sail we. Oh no, I'm not a pirate, but a man of war, cried he, a sailing down along the coast of High Barbary. Then back up your topsails and heave your vessel to. Blow high, blow low, and so sail we. For we have got some letters to be carried home by you, a sailing down along the coast of High Barbary.
Good boy.